Hi, was today very good movement of upside around 170 point. All the large cap, mid cap, small cap, micro cap, all are very positive, and the sectoral indices also almost few are near flat and few are positive. So overall, sectoral indices and broad market indices, everything looks very good. But only thing is the stocks side. Though we can able to see excitement in indices, but in the stock side we couldn't able to see such kind of excitement. The reason is this advance and decline ratio. So it is almost 1:1 kind, but it should be at least the advances should be 2000 and more, and the decline should be around. If it is 1000, we can say there is excitement in stocks also, but here that excitement is missing in the stock side. But anyway, it's not a overall. You don't need to take much concern of this, but overall market looks very good. So that and all we will see deeply in the upcoming slides. So before that, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are for educational purpose, sharing my views. Always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With this, will see the video. So again, request please do subscribe and like. Okay, so today Nifty 170 point positive closes, the large cap 162 point, mid cap 173 point, small cap 111 point, and micro cap 98 point positively closed. So all are green. But one thing is, if it is all are green, it should be red actually India VIX, but that also in green 2.33%. It's increased today. Rested at 11,086. The banking Nifty Bank 414 point positive closure, and Nifty IT 142 point. So all the broad market and main two indices are looks very good. Similarly, if you see the sectoral indices, oil and gas, the Reliance which participate the oil and gas is 1.52% is positive closure, reality 1.46, and metal 1.16% is positive closure. So already in last video I showed that metal make a all-time high. So it's coming days we can keep on see that it's break its own all-time high. So similarly we can expect the auto also, because the auto and metal are quite very related sectors. So we can expect auto also makes an all-time high. And then the downside, the media minus 0.26%. If you see all these three looks red, but still it's very marginal negative only. So we can say it is a flat closure, and the rest and all quite green closure. So overall the market sectoral wise as well as indices, broad market indices wise looks very good. That and all we will see in the chart. Okay, first we will see Nifty. So Nifty already I told 25,650 will be the very strong support. Last week it made a high of 26,104, just 150 point lesser than the all-time high. So usually in the all-time high and this round figure like 26,000. 25,500, 26,500. So all these round figure numbers, while it touches whether it's stocks or indices, there will be some profit booking. Psychological, it will act as a psychological resistance and psychological support as well. So with that respect, there were profit booking in the 2 days. Now again, it is the momentum is gaining in the upside. So subsequent days we can expect very good move. Let me see. Then bank Nifty bank. So this 50,500 is a very strong support. The last session it nearly touched that support, but close to quite above that. So that was very good. I said definitely it will go in the higher side. So as I said today 400% is positive closure. So it's again the upside momentum is gaining and it's moving in the upside. Let me see. Then IT stock. Sorry, Nifty 80. So Nifty 80, the next target, immediate target is 37,000. So it's taking at 36,000 level, it is taking quite consolidation. So once it's break, even a single green candle enough to touch this 37,000. So this also looks very good. then mid and small 400. So this is the single indices inclusive of mid cap 150 and the small cap 250. So collectively the mid and small 400 single index, this give a very good market perspective. It's a highly reliable index. So this also having a good positive momentum. The immediate target would be 20,600. So if you see the overall our Indian market looks very good. There is no negative sign. So everything looks positive. In my last Saturday video, I titled a glance on the world market. So in that video, I said in before November end, Nifty may touch 27,000. I said the only obstacle would be, it not confirmed, it would be maybe Bihar result. If any rule change, that would be a setback. That is the only thing will be obstacle for the Nifty for 27,000. Otherwise, in November there are a lot of chances it will touch 27,000. So this is all about our Indian market. Now we will see our big brother US market. US market last session, Dow closed to 472 point positive closure and S&P 553 points, and NASDAQ Composite Index 263 point positively closed. So all these three indices are at the all-time high, and it's about to break the all-time high. So it's in the breaking stage. Similarly, if you see S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite Index, so all these three important indexes are also in the all-time high and just about to break. So US market also looks very good, very positive momentum we are able to see. So this in turn definitely gives some positive impact in our market also. So with respect, we can expect our Nifty will progress in the upside moment. Okay, now we will see, usually we will see four stocks, that is in F1 in the gain side 2 stocks and the losing side 2 stock. With that respect, in the gaining side we will see Bank India and Go First. As idea is a penny stock, we will leave this. Then in the losing side we will see SBI card and SRF. So all this we will see one by one. So first we will see Bank India. So if you see this in the price action, we say it's a cup formation. So whatever the depth of this cup formation, the same length it will go in the upside. So with that respect, if you see, we can expect 150. If you see in the weekly chart, definitely it clearly shows that the previous all-time high is 150. So in the both are confirming this target. So there is a high probability that it will move towards 150 in the coming days. Then we will see GoForce. So GoForce, it's in very good momentum. So today 4.01% is positively closed. So there we can able to see some high profit booking here. So maybe next session the profit booking will continue. After fill this gap again, it will high probability that it will move towards 2000. Then SBI code. So SBI code, it was in the range of 860 and 900 for a quite time. Then it broke that channel, and if you see the huge profit booking, so 9,000 would be a very strong support. So if you see last two session, though it has broke in the intraday, the closing it came exactly in the above. So now today exactly at 900, we can say 900, so exactly at 900. So it should not break in the downside. If it break, 850 would be the support, else it will continue in the progress towards 1020 would be the target for this. Then SRF stock. So this were quite long time. It was 2,800 and 3,000 was the range. So it broke and gone 3,200. So we can able to see a quite high profit booking. So now this 3,000 acts as a very strong support. It should not break. Once it break again, 2,800 would be the support for this. So if it start turns from here, 3,300 would be the target. So if you see the same stock in the weekly chart, you can see very large time period it traveled 2,100 and 2,650. So then it broke. So this small downside is quite obvious. So it overall it looks it will move towards in the further in the upper side only. So if at all you are considering all these four stocks, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision. So with this, we'll wind up this video. See you in next video. And once again request, please do subscribe and like. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.